Hello, and welcome to Cantata. I'm Brittany Lewin-Gao, and today I'd like to provide you with a brief overview of the Robust Business Intelligence Insights by Cantata OX. The Cantata Cloud provides users across your business the insights they need to make data-driven decisions that maximize results. Decisions like which resource is the best fit for an open assignment, based on not just skill and availability, but also variables that often get lost in the shuffle, like interest on the role and impact on margin. We offer a resource-centric data model, so you have visibility into project financial and workforce data all in one place, giving you true clarity into business performance and eliminating the blind spots and data silos that limit planning and execution in so many other solutions. Cantata is the only PSA that has a business intelligence embedded into the platform. With over 70 plus out-of-the-box reports, Cantata is leading the way with insights. These out-of-the-box reports are expertly built by our business intelligence team and are designed with gathered knowledge from thousands of client implementations, providing you actionable insights that service leaders trust to run their business on every single day. In addition to the expert-built reports, Cantata enables clients to take their data to the next level. With intuitive reporting capabilities, you'll be able to customize and build all the reporting your organization needs. Say goodbye to spreadsheets and hello to Cantata Insights. Let's dive into My Cantata. This is the project health view. Now, this is one of the dashboards that we'll cover in our Insights overview. Now, you'll notice here as I hover on my left-hand side and open the Insights tab, I'm going to be presented with all of the varying dashboards that are available within the platform. You'll also notice that we have two different types of dashboards. We have our classic dashboards, as well as our dynamic dashboards. Both serve their own purpose and provide service leaders the ability to see all of the information they need and take actionable insights. Let's explore the functionality a bit more on this report. Within our classic dashboards, you're going to have the ability to see all of these different data elements segmented. So you can quickly filter and understand what are the different areas that I want to filter by, perhaps by client or project group. You also are able to create different saved views. For example, if I needed to create a saved view to quickly and efficiently identify the different data points based on my filters, I could within Insights. Perhaps I need to schedule this out. Cantata allows you to schedule reports out on a daily, weekly, or monthly cadence. These can be recipients that are both active within Cantata or outside of Cantata, therefore providing you an easy way to distribute information quickly. But perhaps you want to export this data in several different formats. Cantata provides the ability for you to download it in whatever format makes the most sense for the organization. More importantly than downloading the information, let's take a look at what the information is telling us. This portfolio scoreboard is a great vantage point for executives as well as PMs that need to have a really good launching point of where my projects are at. This combines Cantata's ability to manage projects, project financials, and risk identification all in one view. Let's take a look at this project here. You can see where we're burning at from our hours, our dollars, our margin, as well as our margin targets. Cantata is giving you really actionable insight right within your fingertips. Perhaps you want to understand why you're going a bit under your margin targets. Insights provides the ability to drill down and find several different vantage points that make the most sense for your team. So now that I'm looking at this project more holistically, I can notice that there has been an overage in the month of July that far exceeds what we estimated. This is a good reason why we're starting to go off track with our margins. We can circulate with the team and make sure we act quickly in order to recoup any of those finances and get our margin targets back in order. In addition to that insight, you'll see here that all of the different data points that are available on this project are right here at your fingertips. So again, those actionable insights really provide you an ability to see high level in a portfolio view and drill in really quickly and efficiently to gather more information. Let's take a look at additional functionality and visibility through a different report. We're going to move into our staffing and capacity. This is also another dashboard within our classic insights. What this report is telling me is what is the supply and demand of my resources over the next coming months. With the unstaffed demand being driven from our pipeline projects that can be created within Kantata or via a CRM integration, you have your pipeline against your backlog of active work and resources staffed to existing projects. What this is then showing you is what's your remaining capacity. Now we see here we have an influx over March, April, and May. If I acted without this information, I might have hired someone right away or scrambled to find if we need contractors, which add cost that I may not necessarily need. Now, perhaps I need to work with my sales team, make sure we're on the same page of which projects are actually going to close within that pipeline. Historically, I've had to run through different spreadsheets, have several different meetings, emails, all trying to coordinate to determine what that impact of the closed projects would mean. Within Kantata Insights, what I can do is simply filter and isolate and identify perhaps the projects that are coming down the pipeline. For example, let's take a look at Coca-Cola. Our sales team has informed us that this is the only pipeline projects that are slated to close. You'll notice how drastically that impacts our resource demand. What was an influx is now a deficit. We have more than enough capacity, no need to hire a net new employee or reach out to our contractor pool. And in fact, we know that we'll actually have some bench time. Therefore, we can encourage the sales team to try and pull in some additional work to help offset that. Within Kantata, and just a few clicks, we were able to identify and create that dynamic what-if view, making sure that your organization is empowered with the most actionable insights possible in order to create those business outcomes that you're looking for. Now, I want to focus and showcase our dynamics dashboards as well. Dynamic dashboards provide an ability for you to be more thoughtful on maybe some alerting capabilities, the abilities to build and maintain these reports all on your own. Dynamic dashboards are really the future of insights. I can easily favorite this, and it will be at the top of my insights. I can clone this easily, share it with others, or drill into an advanced, which means I can go ahead and take this fantastic standard report and drill in and customize it within one click. Now let's take a look at some of the other functionality provided with dynamic dashboards. I'm noticing here that my utilization is trending upwards. This is fantastic, but I want to set some KPI alerts in order to make sure that I'm informed should it ever dip below. So I'm going to go ahead and set an automated alert to notify me whenever this goes below 75%. This will then empower the data to drive any type of alerting, making sure that I'm aware of any dips that could impact my overall opportunity to track against my KPIs as the organization. I'll scroll down here and you'll see several different vantage points. Graphical representations such as line graphs that show you how you're trending, what you've planned versus what you've actualized. Heat maps to start to showcase which roles have the highest utilization and in which months. And really informed breakdowns to show you utilization by role, by resource, month over month, and where they've gone above or below their target billability. Kantata Insights is really powering you to make the most informed decisions possible, making you proactive instead of reactive on data that you truly trust. Hopefully, we've shown today how Kantata helps you understand some of the many ways our industry cloud is giving professional service firms the clarity control, and confidence to do what they do best even better. Thank you. Have a great day.